I wanted to do a short video looking at the Anatomage Table at some of the digestive system organs and specific structures that we've been talking about in class. So here I've got the Asian female cadaver pulled up, and I'm going to use the visibility menu and highlight the digestive system and GI tract. And now I'm going to go in and pick some structures that I want to look at. So we're looking at esophagus, stomach, and small intestines. I'm going to enlarge that picture so you can see some of the detail. So as you can see, we've got esophagus traveling distally and joining in with the stomach, and then stomach traveling into small intestines. So I'm going to use the clipping tool, and I'm going to dissect transverse plane cut across the stomach and remove a portion. I'm going to rotate that so you can see on the inside. So what I'd like to point out here is the rugae on the interior surface of the stomach, as well as at the pyloric end of the stomach, the pyloric sphincter, which I'm highlighting here, indicating the smooth muscle band controlling flow from stomach into duodenum. I'm going to bring my stomach back. And now I'm going to manipulate the image so that I can do a cross-section of the duodenum. I'm going to use my clipping tool again. Make a cut, and then I'm going to rotate the image so that you can see the interior of the duodenum. I'll enlarge that picture a little bit so you can see some detail. But what I'd like to point out here are the circular folds on the inside of the duodenum, the plica circularis. And that's going to be these here. And then in this view, I'm drawing an arrow to the major duodenal papilla, which you can see here in the duodenum. This is where the sphincter of Oddi is located, and pancreatic and bile from the accessory digestive organs will empty into the duodenum. I'm going to do a second view here. This is the Asian female cadaver again, and I'm going to go and I'm going to choose the organs associated with the hepatopancreatic duct system. So we've got liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. And what I'm going to do is I flat colored the ducts so that you can see them a little more clearly. I'm going to enlarge the picture here. So you can see underneath the liver, I've flat colored the gallbladder a darker green, and the lighter green is indicating the duct pathway. I'm going to use the clipping tool again and dissect away some parts of the liver so that we can see the hepatic ducts on the inside. So here we've got a pretty nice view of the duct system carrying bile and pancreatic juice. This was ducts coming from the liver, and so I'm going to indicate the left hepatic duct and the right hepatic duct, and they're going to join to form the common hepatic duct. Now, coming from the gallbladder, we have the cystic duct, which is this area here, and that's going to join in and now form the common bile duct, or just bile duct. Now, we also have an accessory, or a pancreatic duct that's coming from the pancreas. And this is the pancreas here. I brought it back so you can see it. Now I'm going to remove it so you can actually see the main pancreatic duct contained within it. And these structures are going to join main pancreatic duct and common bile duct into this area right here, which is the hepatopancreatic ampulla and sphincter. This is what empties into the duodenum.